Kung wala yung EDCA dito, Mayor, walang titirahin ng China. You'll be spared.
Kung walang bases, I don't think the Chinese would, what? Padala mo lang kami ng quites. Huwag yung guided missile. Sobra naman niya. Pero, you know, the Chinese very well understands this.
So, Mayor, in case of shooting war, what do you advise the Filipinos to do in preparation for that? Kahit God forbid, hindi mangyari. Pero anytime na mangyari, we should know how to prepare for that. Sana hindi inabay at Davao.
Well, in terms of maintaining order, kasi magbagulo na yan, we've always to rely on the military and the police. Mainly on the military, to maintain order and keep calm. But other than that, they cannot do anything. Baka lahat tayo magkita-kita na lang. And I'm sure by that time, everybody would be appealing to God. Maliit itong compound mo, Pastor. Gusto mag-hear na gano'ng Pilipino, gano'n nakatakot kung magputok ka na. Maliit ito. Because if that's a human behavior. If things are at hand, nandyan na, facing eyeball to eyeball, and maybe death. Even if you believe in God or not, ang unang papasok mo talaga is salvation. Parang kung sabihin mo suicide na ito, wala na tayong magawa, then we always magkambyada na tayo from the third gear, mag-fourth gear na tayo, mag-cruising speed na, then you think, oh, kung wala ka rin magawa, sabihin ko na lang rin, ako magpapako na lang rin ako ng cross para imimik ko si Kristo. Total, mamamatay na rin ako. Sige, ipako ninyo ako, kaya marami rin akong pinatay mga kayo. Addict. Sabi ko, sabihin ko na lang, Lord, I commit
my spirit,
my soul and everything, and including my family, in thy hands.